Namaste Abir. I am going to give some rules for this ruling planets. How to rectify the birth time using the ruling planets. Say for example, I just for example I have wrote some casting time and birth time. Randomly I have written. I didn't take any horoscope. Just randomly I have chosen some planets. So casting time, Lagna position and moon position. In the casting time moon position, the Rasi Lord is Mars, Star Lord is Ragu, Sub Lord is Venus, Sub Lord is Ketu, Triple S Lord is again Venus. So, in the birth time RP, you can see, in the birth time RP, you can see the Rasi, the Lagna position. The Rasi Lord is Moon, Star Lord is Mercury, Sub Lord is Ragu, Sub Lord is Ketu, Triple S Lord is Mercury. You can see. So, at first, you have to see whether it is in edge. You have to see the Rasi edge, Star Lord edge, Sub Lord edge. So, we have to first analyze the edges. Suppose if the Star Lord is Mercury and also the Sub Lord is Mercury means you have to identify it is a Star Lord edge. Both Star Lord and Sub Lord are the same planet means. That is, in the star, if you divide the star into 9 sublords, it is in the first sub itself. If both Star Lord and Sub Lord are the same, one and the same means, you can identify that it is in the edge. That is Mercury. That is the star Mercury started with now only. So you have in this case you have to decrease 3 minutes, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. If you decrease and decrease the time, within 2 minutes the Star Lord may change. So you have to first decide what is the Star Lord first. If it is in the edge only. If it is not in the edge, you need not worry. So in this case, it is not in the edge. So Mercury, Ragu. The Star Lord is Mercury and the Sub Lord is Ragu. So it is not in the edge, it is in the middle only. So not a problem. Then you have to see the Sub Lord edge. Whether it is in the edge. Sub Lord edge is not also there. Ragu, Ketu. If the Sub Lord and the Sub Lord are one and the same, then it is called as Sub Lord edge. For that, if you decrease 1 minute or some few seconds, it may change. The Sub Lord may change. So you have to first fix the Sub Lord and you have to move to Sub Lord. Here it is not the case. So no issues. So before correcting the time, you have to see whether it is in the Rasi edge or Star Lord edge or Sub Lord edge. Then only you have to fix the Sub Lord and Triple S Lord. Okay. So here no edges. It is not in the edge. So you need not worry. So you can see Moon, Mercury, Ragu, Ketu and Mercury. So Ketu, Mercury is there. If you just increase 1 minute, it will become Venus. Ketu will become Venus. The Sub Lord will become Venus. And the Triple S Lord will also become Venus. So you can fix it as Venus and Venus because you can see here the two blue color given, Ketu, Venus. This Ketu and Venus are called as sensitive points. This Ketu and Venus are called as sensitive points because the moon, why it is called sensitive points means it will change fastly. If you increase half an hour, if you change the casting time to half an hour, increase half an hour or decrease half an hour, this Ketu and Venus will change. So these are called as sensitive points because fastly changeable items are sensitive. So Ketu, Venus are sensitive. Since Venus is repeating here, repeating 2 times. When a planet repeats 2 or 3 times, it is very sensitive. So you have to fix the Lagna Subsublord as Venus only. Lagna Subsublord as Venus only, because though Ketu is here actually, the Subsublord, the moon's Subsublord is Ketu only. So here already Ketu is available. So Ketu also okay, but here Venus is more sensitive. It is coming 2 times. It is coming 2 times. So you have to keep Venus. And also it is in edge actually. Ketu and Mercury. The last sub actually. When you divide a subsublord into 9 divisions, it is triple S lord actually. The first triple S lord of Ketu, Venus, like that it goes in the order. The last one will be Mercury. After Mercury, the subsublord itself will change to Venus. So we have to change it to Venus. So this is the rule Abir. When a planet repeats 2 or 3 times, you have to give importance to that. That is the point.